When comparing Interactive Brokers and Trade Republic, it is essential to analyze their distinct features, fees, financial instruments, and overall user experience to determine which platform best suits your investment needs. Both brokers cater to different segments of investors, and understanding their strengths and weaknesses will help you make an informed decision. Interactive Brokers is a well-established global online broker founded in 1978. It offers a comprehensive investment platform with a wide range of products, including stocks, options, mutual funds, ETFs, futures, bonds, and currencies. IBKR is known for its low commissions, advanced trading tools, and extensive research and education resources. It provides access to over 150 markets worldwide, making it a top choice for experienced investors and those seeking a diverse investment portfolio. Additionally, Interactive Brokers offers interest on uninvested cash balances, which can be a significant advantage for investors looking to maximize their returns. However, the platform has a steeper learning curve, and its website can be difficult to navigate, making it less suitable for beginners. The account opening process is also complicated and lengthy, though it is fully online. Trade Republic, on the other hand, is a discount broker based in Berlin, Germany. It focuses on a limited range of financial assets: stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and derivatives. Trade Republic markets itself as a no-order fee platform, but it does apply a €1 external fee on every trade, except for savings plans. This fee structure can be beneficial for investors who make infrequent trades or those who primarily invest in savings plans. Trade Republic is regulated by BaFin, ensuring a high level of security for its users. The platform is particularly appealing to beginners due to its simplicity, automatic savings plans, and no minimum deposit requirement. However, Trade Republic lacks a demo account and only supports the euro as the base currency, which might be a limitation for some investors. Additionally, it does not offer access to US stock exchanges, and currency conversion fees apply. When comparing the fees between IBKR and Trade Republic, Interactive Brokers has a more complex fee structure with tiered plans. For US stocks, IBKR charges a minimum of 35 cents per share, with a maximum fee of 1% of the trade value. For European stocks, the fee is 0.05% of the trade value, with a minimum fee of €1.25 and a maximum fee of €29. In contrast, Trade Republic charges a flat €1 settlement fee per trade for both US and European stocks, which can be more predictable and manageable for some investors. For ETFs, IBKR applies the same 0.05% fee with a minimum of €1.25 and a maximum of €99, while Trade Republic charges the same €1 settlement fee. Both brokers offer interest on uninvested cash balances, but the rates vary. As of May 2024, IBKR offers 3.382% for euros, 4.83% for US dollars, and 4.72% for British pounds. Trade Republic offers a slightly higher rate of 3.75% for euros as of June 2024. This difference in interest rates can impact the overall return on idle cash balances, depending on the currency you hold. In terms of regulation, Interactive Brokers is supervised by multiple top-tier regulators, including FINRA, SIPC, SEC, CFTC, IROC, FCA, CBI, AFSEL, SFC, CBI, MAS, and MNB. This extensive regulatory oversight adds a layer of security and trust for investors using the platform. Trade Republic is regulated by BaFin, the Federal Financial Supervisory Authority in Germany, which also provides a high level of security for its users. For investors seeking a demo account, Interactive Brokers offers this feature, allowing users to practice trading without risking real money. This can be particularly useful for beginners who want to familiarize themselves with the platform and trading strategies. Trade Republic does not offer a demo account, which might be a drawback for novice investors looking for a risk-free way to learn. When it comes to user experience, Interactive Brokers has a reputation for a steeper learning curve due to its advanced tools and extensive features. However, it also provides comprehensive research and education resources which can help users become more proficient over time. IBKR's modern mobile trading app, IBKR Global Trader, is designed to make trading stocks, options, and ETFs more accessible for novice investors. On the other hand, Trade Republic's platform is straightforward and user-friendly, making it ideal for beginners. Its focus on simplicity and automatic savings plans can help new investors start building their portfolios with minimal effort. In summary, Interactive Brokers and Trade Republic cater to different types of investors. Interactive Brokers is well suited for experienced investors who require access to a broad range of financial instruments and markets, as well as advanced trading tools and comprehensive research resources. Its low commissions and interest on uninvested cash balances add to its appeal. However, the platform's complexity and lengthy account opening process can be challenging for beginners. Trade Republic, in contrast, is tailored for beginners and investors looking for a straightforward and affordable trading platform. Its automatic savings plans, no minimum deposit requirement, and flat €1 fee per trade make it an attractive option for those starting their investment journey. However, the lack of a demo account, limited base currency support, and restricted access to US stock exchanges may be limiting for some investors. Ultimately, the best broker for you will depend on your individual profile, preferences, and investment goals. If you value a comprehensive and advanced platform with a wide range of financial instruments and low commissions, Interactive Brokers may be the right choice. On the other hand, if you prefer a simple and user-friendly platform with automatic savings plans and no minimum deposit, Trade Republic could be a better fit. Alright, so that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.